Yeah, what's up, guys? What's up, people? This is Forex Success. I wanna close my positions on volatility 10 index right now. So, guys, I'm closing my position on volatility 10 index. Okay, yeah. So I'm done closing the position on volatility 10 index. Look, because it's about to return. So I placed a sell using the volatility index powerful strategy, and look, it made money for me. Okay, I'm still holding on to the volatility 25 index strategy, to the volatility 25 index position that I opened with the powerful strategy. Look, I got a buy signal. Look, it's a buy. Why did I place the buy? It's what I'm going to show you, how you can also use this strategy and make money for yourself. Look, okay, this is the awesome oscillator and this is the moving average. That is all the indicators you need for this strategy and make money. You can see it's on profit. Okay, I'll show you now how you can use this strategy to start making money. Yeah, so it's a very simple strategy. Before we get started, guys, hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. Forex Success. Yeah, when we drop new videos for you guys. Okay, so make sure you to hit that red subscribe button, and if you don't have a Deriv account, click on the link at the description below to open an account right now so you can start trading with us. You can join our Telegram group. It's all the link to anything you need. It's at the description. So without wasting time, guys, let me go over to how to use this strategy to set your indicators. So I'm gonna wipe this out. Let me wipe it out. Okay, good. So guys, using the strategy for volatility index, the first indicator would get the awesome oscillator. Yeah, the awesome oscillator. Just the levels, you put it on 0, done. That is just it, guys. Awesome oscillator. The levels, you put it on 0. For the style, you make it 3 pixels. Use the color green. You save, you come down, use color red for the value down. You click done. Simple as that. Then the next indicator is a moving average. At the main window, you take the moving average, set it on period 10. The shift, put it on 0. The method exponential, the apply to close. The star, use black, 3 pixels. You click save, you click done. Take another moving average, at the main chart, the main window. You take another moving average, period 21, then shift 0, method to exponential, apply to close. The level 0, the star, let's use black. Now let's use red, guys. The 3 pixels, you click done. You can see. So this is the strategy. When do you place a buy using this strategy? You place a buy. Okay, you place a buy when the black moving average cross above the red moving average. That's when you place a buy with the strategy. That's not just the condition you need for a buy. You have to watch out for 2 conditions, which is the black moving average should cross above the red moving average, and the awesome oscillator should be above the 0 level. So guys, when you see the awesome oscillator being above the 0 level and the black moving average being above the chart, the red moving average, it's a buy. It's a buy, guys. That is how you place a buy with the strategy. So to place a say, watch out for the red moving average crossing above the black moving average and the awesome oscillator to be below the 0 level. You can see at this point, this is a very good sell entry. You can see a very good sell entry. Yeah, this is a very good signal to place a sell because the conditions are met. Yeah, So guys, you can see the market, it's buying using the strategy. I placed this buy as a result of my condition being met, the black moving average crossing above the red moving average and the awesome oscillator at the buy level. You can see above the zero level, so it's going to buy. Yeah, so the moving average is going to serve as a stop loss also, because it's a dynamic support and resistance level, so it will serve as the stop loss for this strategy. Guys, this strategy works. You just have to be patient with it and let the market move for you. Okay, look again guys, look, the red moving average crossed above at this point, and it's at the below the zero level. The awesome oscillator, it's a sell continuously again at this point, make money again at this point. Black moving average cross below, black moving average cross above the red moving average, and the awesome oscillator at the buy level. It's a buy at this point. This is a sell. Red moving average cross above the black moving average, and the awesome oscillator is below the zero level. So guys, continuously make money with this strategy and make the market. Yeah, it works for volatility 25 index, volatility 10 index, and also volatility 75 index. Guys, it's a very powerful strategy, as you can see. So using the strategy, make money for yourself, guys. That's it. So that's it guys. It's a very good strategy. So right now let's check it on volatility 75 index. Yeah, open it on volatility 75 index, guys. You can see it works as far the condition is met. Look, it's a sell. Once those two conditions are met, then you wait for the market to make for you. You can see volatility, it's a volatility 75 index, it's very volatile. So as soon as you enter at this point, you make your profit. With this strategy, guys, with this powerful strategy, you make profit for yourself. You can see we're in profit for the volatility 25 trade that we took. Guys, set your indicators and start making money too with this powerful strategy. Yeah, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. This is Forex Success. Hit that red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, so open an account with Deriv so you can start trading synthetic indices. It is 24/7, like the market doesn't close. You can make money every day with trading synthetic indices on Deriv. So open an account today. The link is at the description below. Thank you guys.